Ang aking lang ay ganito. Sa International Criminal Court,
Okay.
hindi ulit na halal ka, tatawagin ka na.
Okay.
Kung hindi, merong magre-retire na judge o baka retired na siya, he reached retirement age. But he will have to stay, it is his duty to stay there until he has finished all his cases.
Okay.
Kaiba sa atin.
Oo.
That's why nobody knows, even the presidency of the ICC does not know when a new judge will be called because we all have to wait until a retired judge has finished all his cases, and you cannot predict when those cases will be finished.
Okay.
That's why we don't know.
All right.
Ikaw,
Please, Ted.
Ikaw, Johnny, magbasa ka ng Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court.
Oh.
Abogado ka pa man din. Bakit ka nagpapa-abogado kay Senator Panfilo Lacson? Hindi yan abogado eh. Saka sinabi ko na sa iyo, debate tayong dalawa. Nakita mo lang ako sa TV ngayon, gusto mo, kasunod ka naman. Bakit ganon ang gusto mo? Harap-harapan tayo para makinig ng buong taong bayan, ang rason mo at ang rason ko, at bahala sila kung anong hatol nila. Hindi na magsiraan tayong dalawa. Sinong natutuwa doon? Ikaw?
Oo.
Ngayon,
Yes.
bakit niya makikialam sa International Criminal Court? Basahin lang niya. That's available on the internet. In the International Criminal Court, the newly elected judge has no discretion on when she shall report for work. But I was very aware that I was elected in 2010 for 6 years.
Okay.
So I wrote the presidency and said, I've been elected until 2016. I know the tradition is, pag number 1 kang elected judge, you get called first. But if you will allow me, I will waive that privilege. And I, in fact, would welcome it if you called me last. Because
Okay.
I don't want my voters to be disillusioned with me. And the presidency said, yes, we grant your request on condition that still you will hold yourself ready and available at any time in case you're badly needed, urgently needed in the ICC. That's why I don't know when I will report there. The president does not know when he will report there. Because ang sistema, kaiba sa Pilipinas. Kaya ikaw...
No. Okay.